tensions are rising once again. In the Middle East, the relationship between the United States and Iran is heating up. At the world's most critical oil route, the Strait of Hormuz, new fears of conflict are emerging. But what is really happening there? Is a war about to begin? The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow sea passage, yet it holds massive global importance. Nearly 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this single route every day. This makes it one of the most strategically important locations on the entire planet. Control over this route has long been a point of tension between global powers. Any disruption here can send shockwaves across the global economy. In 2019, Iran shot down a US drone, and since then, the situation has become increasingly complex. There have also been multiple incidents involving oil tankers and rising military presence in the region. Former US President Donald Trump had issued strong warnings, stating clearly that any attack on American interests would face a serious and powerful response. Even today, although a full-scale war has not started, tensions in the Persian Gulf region remain high. There is constant surveillance from drones and naval forces. Military exercises are being conducted regularly by different countries. All of this makes the situation extremely fragile. Experts believe that even a small mistake or a single miscalculation could quickly turn into a major conflict. And if that happens, the consequences will not stay limited to the Middle East. The biggest impact of this tension is on the global economy. If any disruption happens in the Strait of Hormuz, oil prices could suddenly rise. And once oil prices go up, everything else begins to change. Countries all over the world, including India, would feel the pressure. Fuel prices could increase rapidly. Transportation costs would rise, and even the price of daily essential goods may go up significantly. This could directly affect the lives of millions of people. However, as of now, a full-scale war has not begun. Both the United States and Iran remain cautious. Diplomatic talks are still ongoing, and at the same time, military preparedness continues in the background. It is a delicate balance between peace and potential conflict. The big question is, will tensions ease over time, or will they escalate into something much bigger? Will diplomacy succeed, or will the world witness another major conflict? For now, the situation in the Middle East is being closely watched by the entire world. Follow for more updates.